Hi, another comment I want to reply to. Number one, I disagree to open another. Credit card doesn't affect your score. It even helps you build more credit if you use and pay it on time. Actually, GGG had made a very good point dun sa mga sub-comments niya, so you can check it out. But to answer this comment, when you apply for any form of credit card, line of credit, personal loan, meron tayong tinatawag na hard hit, hard inquiries, hard check sa ating mga credit score. So, kahit mag-apply ka lang nung credit card sa store, alam mo yung pag nagsusuperstore ka, tas may lalapit sa'yo na gusto nyo ba ng optimum points, yung mga ganon, and then yung experience ko sa Costco, every time you apply for a credit, pag pinasok nila yan, meron agad yan hit sa credit score. I recently got a new credit card, I think after like 4 years. So, hindi ako nag-churn sa mga credit card ko. Medyo loyal ako. But recently, I got a new credit card. I wanna try something out. Ang hit niya sa credit score ko is like 10 or 11. I'm just using the Credit Karma kasi yun yung nakasanayan ko. I know there are a couple of choices na meron tayo dito sa Canada. I know Credit Karma is not like super accurate, but at least you have an idea kung magkano yung hit niya doon sa credit score. They also have a very good list ng lahat ng hard inquiries tas close accounts, so you can actually see how it affects your credit. Doon naman tayo sa building your credit using a credit card. The most important thing about credit cards, aside from paying it on time, yung wala tayong nakikarry na balance, no, is the credit utilization. So, credit utilization is total ng lahat ng limit mo sa lahat ng accounts mo. So, example, may credit card ka na 50K, credit card number 2, 20K, tas na-approve ka ng line of credit na 30K. So, meron kang access sa 100K na credit. And yet, you're only using, sabihin mo ng 2,000 a month sa lahat ng credit mo. So, your credit utilization, mababa yung usage mo compared doon sa credit limit mo. Kaya nung bago din ako sa Canada, people will say, you know what, wag mong kunin yung mga credit limit, dangerous yan, ganyan. But at the end of the day, it's all self-control, self-discipline, and dapat maagap ka lang sa utang. I guess my point is, number one, any credit inquiry, hard check, it will affect your score. And number two, building your credit using credit cards as long as you're responsible, but make sure na maagap ka doon sa credit utilization mo. Hindi yung meron kang credit card na binabayaran mo monthly, kunyari 20,000 yung limit, pero monthly ang bill mo na naman is 19,500. So that leaves you very small room doon sa parang access mo sa credit. So, yun lang. I hope it's clear.